point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Alright, my home point's updated. So let's start.
Take off. The home point has been...
Guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to be flying the Mavic 2 Pro drone. I just bought it. Cost $1,500 just for the drone and the remote control. I got the whole bundle, so it was like $1,700. It seemed like it was the best drone at the time, so that's why I went with it. I'm going to try to make it towards the lake. It's about 1.5 miles away. Hopefully the video reception comes in clear for you guys. This is my first time trying this, recording on the phone, so hopefully it works, and let's get flying. All right, so we're going about 27, 28 miles an hour, as you guys can see. 800.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
Maximum flight altitude.
Maximum flight altitude reached.
So we're just cooking along. This is just auto settings for the camera. I'll have to play with it a little bit more. All right, we're 2,000. We're coming up on 2,000 feet away. So far, it seems like the video reception's pretty good. %, battery, 91% battery. All right, so hold on. I'm gonna let off the controls. I'm gonna try to make this nicer. This is my first time going through the controls like this, so I don't really have a set setting. That looks pretty good though. So we're 3,500 feet away, 23 miles an hour. We're just in position mode. We're not in sport mode or anything. 4,000 feet away. How is the video quality, guys? Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think. Can you guys see clear? Try to make it over to the lake. Jumped a little bit. They say you're supposed to be using iPhones for this drone. Unfortunately, I have an Android. So, signal is too weak. Please adjust. Remote control signal is weak. So we're a little over 1 mile away. No, signal is weak. Alright guys, hopefully we don't lose the drone. That would suck. Remote control, signal weak, signal lost. That's crazy. Aircraft disconnected. Wow. Alright, so I'm just going to press return to home.
No signal.
Return to home. Hopefully it comes home.
Go home.
That's crazy. I think it's because the buildings and a bunch of houses in the way. I'm going to try it over the ocean, see how it does. But alright, so we're back. Damn, this shit's sketchy. It's on the way to the house though. I'm gonna continue to fly it. I'm gonna put this thing in sport mode, get home. $42 mile an hour, 43, 44, 45. We're cooking. We're gonna start doing drone races over the highway. If anybody wants to enter.
Landing.
Alright guys, so you seen we got kind of close to the lake. We got about a mile and a half, maybe a little less, and the aircraft totally disconnected from the remote control. I don't know why it's doing that, and it should be going a lot further than that. Comment down below, let me know what you guys think. I personally think it's the houses and all the buildings in the way. Not really for sure. I ordered another drone, so stay tuned to see what kind of drone I'm getting. Smash that subscribe button and stay tuned for more videos.